Greetings and gratitude to all. In continuation with Thoughts to Ponder short video series, my today's topic is on breathing. Going straight to the subject, we breathe most of the time unconsciously, as it is the basic intelligence provided by the creation, and consciously only when we do some breathing exercise or focusing on breathing during meditation. When we do normal breathing unconsciously, we do not think about it but carry on with our journey of life. But the same is not true when we do conscious breathing. In conscious breathing, during various breathing exercises, one focuses on the breathing pattern. But during meditation, it is seen that most of the gurus telling that one should concentrate or focus on the breath, both during inhaling and exhaling. They also teach that during inhaling, one should think as if they are inhaling all the positive things and energies of the world, and while exhaling, as if they are giving out all the worries and negativity in life. By this process, one can feel better and energized. I think this idea is originated keeping human mind at the center, and it is good for those people who are in stress and want temporary relief. But at the same time, this method has a flip side to it. If this is practiced on regular basis by all the people, even those who are emotionally healthy, then what are we doing? We are taking all the positive energies and giving away all the miseries and negative energy back to the society. By this process, we are generating more negativity in the society at large. I have a totally contrary viewpoint to what most of the gurus are teaching. My epicenter is the human heart. I believe each and every human being has got a heart which can purify anything if it is used without the interference of mind. Hence, I suggest exactly the reverse process during meditation. That is, during inhalation, one should think as if one is taking in all the sufferings, miseries of the society and the people at large, and then their heart is purifying the same. And while exhaling, one should give out all the positive energies in the form of love, happiness, compassion, gratitude, and so on. By this way, we can have more positivity in the society at large. Also, it is a good example of inclusive behavior which the creation tries to teach us. This being a short video, I think with this I have made my point, and now it is for you to ponder on the same and decide what would you like to do for yourself and society at large. Thanking you for giving your valuable time. See you again with some new topic. Till then, take care of yourself, your family, and society at large, both for physical and emotional health.